How to create a viral Illustrator tutorials. Circle grid logo design. Colorful spine. Letter grid logo design. In just one video. Let's see. The first step is to select the line segment tool and draw the line. Go to the Effect panel, then select Distort and Transform, and finally open the Zigzag panel. And adjust all amounts based on my opinion. Navigate to the Effect panel, select Distort and Transform, and click Transform. And adjust all amounts based on my opinion. Hold Alt and drag Make Duplicate. Increase zigzag amount. Go to Windows and open the Appearance panel. And adjust all amounts based on my opinion. To blend both objects, select them and then go to the Object panel. Next, choose Blend and Make. Again, go to the Object panel, go to Blend and Blend option. And adjust all amounts based on my opinion. Double-click on the brush tool, set the amount, and then click OK. Draw a smooth, curvy line using the brush tool. Select both objects, navigate to the Object panel, go to Blend, and click Replace Spine. Create a color-coded spine for a simple and quick reference method. Next, how do you create a circle grid logo design using an easy method? First step, draw the ellipse. Open the Edit panel. Copy and paste. Hold Alt and drag to make a duplicate. Select the large ellipse and then copy and paste it. Hold Alt and drag to make a duplicate. Again, make duplicate. Remember to select both objects, then use the Shape Builder tool to pick the right color and follow my instructions. Finally, the last tutorial is on the letter grid logo design system. Let's see. Select the Line Segment tool and draw the line. Hold Alt and drag to make a duplicate. Select both lines, then right-click and choose Transform and Rotate. Set the amount of rotation based on my opinion. Once again, select the Line Segment tool and draw the line. Hold Alt and drag to make a duplicate. Remember to select both objects, then use the Shape Builder tool to pick the right color and follow my instructions. Use the Magic Wand tool to select the lines and delete them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next time.